Hey guys, welcome back for another video. In today's video we are looking at the Sujata PowerMatic Plus juicer along with the blender and grinder attachments as well. It's completely packed. I ordered it on Amazon and the link to purchase it is available in the video description. We are going to go ahead and unbox it. First up, we have the operations manual with the warranty card at the back along with a couple of brochures. Next, we have a pack containing a cleaning brush is what it looks like, along with on the label here it says driving gear. Now at 900 watts, this is one of the most powerful juicers available in the market. Not only powerful, but the motor is also energy efficient. And at the price point of about 5,000 to 6,000 rupees, this is one of the most budget friendly yet powerful juicers available in the market. It's also made in India, so it's reliable, you have good service, and it's a preferred choice of most commercial juice vendors is what I've noticed. So you have the blender and grinder jars here. Now I also looked at some other options for the juicers. Mainly a popular one was the Philips Viva collection, but one thing I realized was most commercial juice vendors, we never really see a Philips juicer being used there. I have most commonly seen one of these like the Sujata being used there, and that gives you a sense of reliability is why these commercial juice vendors who want to use this machine all day and all night non-stop, they go for brands like Sujata. So that gave me a sense of reliability, which made me choose this one over the Philips. Not to mention the 7,000 plus positive reviews that customers have given this on Amazon makes it an obvious choice for juicers. Let's open it up. Just a gentle push up, just a nudge to open up the cover. This is where you would insert the raw fruits or vegetables that you want to juice. In here, in the pulp container, we have right here the juicer attachment along with the tray that will prevent the pulp from going in. And once you have all the packaging material removed, this is what the juicer looks like. This is the spout from where the juice will come out. It also has a removable cover that you can slide out. So if you don't want the cover on, you can slide it off, or you can always insert it back as well. You can conveniently pop off the juicer attachments. Just going to keep it aside. Instead, you can always connect your jars. So I've removed the juicer attachment. Now this becomes my blender, or I can remove this and simply attach my grinder as well. So that's how easy it is to flip through the different attachments. The simplicity of this juicer makes it very easy to clean and maintain, and that's what makes it a great choice for home as well as commercial use. In today's video, I'm not going to actually make juice, but you can watch my other videos where I'm going to be doing that. So do subscribe to the channel to be notified of those videos. Do let me know your experience of using different juicers in the comments below. Do leave a like on the video and do subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.